Okay, so now we're given a parallelogram. So this is a parallelogram because it has two sets of parallel sides. And so the area of a parallelogram's pretty easy, actually. You're going to take the area is equal to the base times the altitude height. If you're wondering what the altitude height is the distance between the parallel bases, and it forms a 90-degree angle. So this would be my altitude height, and this would be a base. Now in a parallelogram that can go a multitude of ways, but we're just going to go with the altitude height they've given us. So now to solve this, I'm going to say the area is equal to the base, which is 5 kilometers, times the altitude height, which is 3 kilometers, and I'm just going to multiply those together. So 5 times 3 is 15. Kilometer times kilometer is kilometer square. So that's a pretty easy one.